Hi everyone! Today we'll draw a cute watermelon slice step by step using my new color pencil Procreate brushes. Let's start with a simple sketch. Draw the watermelon slice, keeping the perspective in mind. Lower the opacity of your sketch layer and create a new layer above it. Choose a rich red color and begin adding your first pencil strokes. For now, I'm simply filling the shape with the main color. Next, add a lighter area at the top. I can see this highlight in my reference photo. Now let's paint the shadow side of the watermelon using a slightly darker red. Look at your reference. Find areas with different shades of red, simplify those shapes, and add them to your drawing. For the seeds, don't use pure black. Instead, choose a very dark shade of red and leave a small highlight on each seed. Now pick a color for the rind. Something light, somewhere between yellow and green. Paint the shapes and color variations you see on the rind. Try to simplify the forms instead of focusing on every tiny detail. Keep looking for different color patches across the watermelon and paint them in. Don't try to copy everything exactly. Observe, feel the shapes, and enjoy the process. And just like that, step by step and layer by layer, our illustration comes together. Keep refining the details until you're happy with the result. There's no need to rush. Take your time and enjoy the process. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed spending this time with me in this juicy little watermelon slice. If you'd like to try these brushes yourself, you can find all of my Procreate brush sets, including this brand new color pencil brush set in my Etsy shop. You'll find the link in the description below.